Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to set up your OKX exchange account. Open OKX.com, click Sign Up, and enter your email address. Once you are on this page, go to your email and search for OKX.com. The first thing that will show would be your verification code. Enter the verification code. In your inbox, something similar like this will appear. Now create your password. Once you've created your password, press Next. Once you are on this page, you have successfully created your OKX exchange account. To verify your account for larger transactions, click Verification. Choose Individual Account and enter your nationality. Enter your information and ID. From here, follow the steps to complete your verification in order to trade larger amounts on your account. Once this is all complete and verified, your account is fully verified and ready for use.